Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this problem. 3 power x plus 81 by 3 power x is equals to 30. Let 3 power x is equals to t. Then the equation becomes t plus 81 by t is equals to 30. Right? By taking LCM, t square plus 81 is equals to, the t becomes here 30t. Then the equation becomes t square minus 30t plus 81 is equals to 0. It's a quadratic equation, so we have to find the roots for t. I'm using the factorization method. So t is common, t minus 3 minus 27 is common, t minus 3 is equals to 0. In both of these two terms, t minus 3 is common, so we get t minus 27. So in place of t, I can write 3 power x. So 3 power x is equals to 3. That means 3 power 1. Therefore, x is equals to 1. And one more term, t minus 27. That means 3 power x minus 27 is equals to 0. So 3 power x is equals to 27. I can write 27 as 3 power 3. Therefore, the powers are equal. X is equals to 3. That means x is equals to 1 or 3. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe.